Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to add motion blur for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this is my clip I want to apply the motion blur on, and what you want to do is go to the Fusions tab, and here you can see media in, media out. I'm just getting media in on the left side. Then what you want to do, click on media in and then Shift plus the space bar. And here you want to type in optical flow, then just add it, then it should be here. And then click optical flow, and then again Shift plus spacebar. And now you want to type in vector motion blur, then just add it again. And as you can see in the bottom left corner, for example, here's a lot more motion blur than at the beginning of the clip. Then you can increase the scale and therefore the motion blur. My PC isn't good enough to show this. For example, if I'm going back here, let's try. No, okay. My PC is not that good, but you can just try it out yourself. Here you can see with motion blur on 10.0 and without. Okay, that was a little hack on how to add motion blur for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.